here we go. So fun, look at the shoes.
This is a great shoe.
Hi baby, hi.
Okay, so today we're here to talk about shoes, and this is one of my favorite shoes. It's the Alumni Trainer from Thom Browne. What I love about this shoe is it's in between a sneaker or a trainer and a dress shoe. And I feel like this shoe you could really dress up and it would look really, really cool with your favorite suit. Of course, it has the Thom Browne logoing on the back. This is one of my favorite shoes on the floor at AK Rick's right now.
Alrighty, we have the XPLTR sneaker, kind of hiker shoe from Salomon. I'm really excited about these. This is a new brand for AK Rick's, and we actually have not had a hiker like this silhouette in store before. Personally, love the colorway on it with the olive green, the khaki, and kind of this pewter color mixed along with the brown rubber sole. We have a ton of different models in store, including this one, along with the XT6 and a couple other silhouettes. Definitely gotta come check them out. We have a ton of colorways, and yeah, get them before they're gone.
One of our newest brands is Vinnie's. This right here is the Yardie two-tone moccasin loafer. It's actually pretty subtle from afar, but then you kind of come up on the shoe and it's like, whoa, like tons of detail. So you have this panel here in the front that almost looks like a mosaic. I love this shoe. It's so cool for just like a pair of jeans and a black polo, but also could work for black tie. Could work for maybe a summer wedding with like a stone colored suit in a chino color. But super cool brand, and it's an opening price point, so it won't hurt the bank account.
These shoes are made by Common Project. These Common Project shoes kind of, you know, they're in competition with Birkenstocks, but if you don't want that Birkenstock look and you want something more classy, I highly recommend this. The taupe color is beautiful. It's a very nice soft suede. Love that it's got kind of that, you know, backdrop heel that you can slide your foot right in. Anything that you got going on this summer, this guy probably more than likely will make it look even better. This is your shoe. This is the one.
Ta-da! So everyone knows Hoka's, but we've been carrying them here at AK Rick's for a couple seasons now. Our team has done such an excellent job at choosing some more elevated color options and some really great silhouettes, so they really pair back to a luxury wardrobe. I think that this is so perfect for this time of year, going to spring, summer. It's just a nice bright white sneaker and everyone needs one.
So this is the Golden Goose Soul Star. This is touted as their most comfortable shoe to date, which is pretty incredible. The Soul Star, very reminiscent of the Samba toe box. I really love that. Icy blue, baby.
So historically, Casablanca has done a lot of collabs like New Balance, but now they're doing their own footwear, and this is the tennis court in leather. So when you think of this shoe, think of Hilux, resort wear, lounge wear for sure. How to wear this shoe is pretty simple. This is similar to what you may be accustomed to from like an Air Force One. It's a clean white tennis shoe. So you can definitely wear this with some shorts, some jeans, some nice joggers. It's gonna be a great casual vibe. If you're into more color, we do have the same model in an orange colorway that also has some white and green features if you're wanting more of that color in your wardrobe.
Here I have Easy Mock's blue blanket moccasin. What I really enjoy about Easy Mock as a brand is that it has beautiful hand craftsmanship. It's made sustainably in the US. This is gonna be a staple shoe for you for this summer. It's a very casual, comfy, cozy, laid back shoe, but the hand craftsmanship is going to last you a lifetime.
To Boot is a brand that's been around for several years. The first year that I started working at AK Rick's, it was the first shoe I bought. They're very high quality shoes and they're at a very nice price point. It looks really good with like a linen blazer in the summer or linen pants. It's got a little detail striping on the side to make it a little bit more contemporary or sporty. This soft suede is so comfortable on your foot, and this is actually very lightweight, very durable, and will go with several things in your wardrobe.
So here we have the iconic Zenya triple stitch. I personally picked this colorway and material because I think the off-white you can wear pretty much with everything in your closet. And not only that, I think the tumbled leather on this shoe just gives it a lot more character and it wears really nice. I have worn it really casually with just, 5-pocket jean or a t-shirt, but I've also worn it with a full suit or sport coat. It looks really classic with either one.
This particular shoe is the brand black shoe. This shoe is made with a lot of recycled material, which is good for our environment, but the shoe itself is very durable, and I found that I could interchange the shoe with different outfits. I could go with jeans, I could go with shorts, I could go with khaki pants, or I even tried a suit, the one I have on now. But I highly recommend this shoe. It's a fun shoe, it's a good looking shoe, and it goes with everything.
This is the CamberFly sneaker by Peter Millar. Peter Millar is first and foremost a golf brand, and they excel in high quality sportswear, and that really translates into their shoe line. So this sneaker has a sueded microfiber toe, and then it's reinforced around the edge, so you really have that protection that you need. It also has this really, really comfortable insole, very lightweight and breathable. This sneaker is the perfect combination of technical performance and an athletic style.
So here I have the Golden Goose Star Dan. I love the blue, just a hint of color for spring and summer. All the natural scuffs that they do by hand is really fascinating to see. It's supposed to symbolize the imperfections of life and how life is imperfect. And what's beautiful is that there is beauty within all of those imperfections.
Okay, so we have the Ralph Lauren Bowsworth Espadrille. This particular model for this season, spring 24, is a black linen canvas. It is lined in leather on the inside, which is amazing. And then I love the raised leather detail with the RL lettering there. And something like this can be definitely worn at a garden party or maybe a summer wedding with linen pants, but very nice dressy option for the spring and summer.
So common projects have been a staple at AK Rikk and one of my favorite shoes to wear. So the Achilles is their classic. It is their conventional sneaker. What I love about this type of shoe, they're very functional, they are comfortable. And again, I can have them during the day when I'm more of a formal attire, and I can keep them on with an outfit change in the evening. So if you're traveling, it's great to have common projects.
This is Tom Brown leather shoe, lace up. We love this. This is a shoe that Tom Brown styles with every single look that he ever does. He pops on one of his leather shoes. So there's definitely a little bit of love in this shoe. As opposed to a lot of dress shoes that have wood on the bottom, this one does not. So it's a lot lighter. And as stated, the soft leather is going to work in really, really well and be comfortable. I think Tom himself has been wearing the same pair for like 20 years. Gets them polished twice a month and they just work. This is definitely a workhorse shoe that you're gonna wear for a lifetime. Oh my gosh, hi. Hi baby. This is the most Tom Brown thing ever, hi. Oh gosh, hi, we're friends. Wow, I'm distracted.